time in the nursing home. Nap time in the nursing home. I got a dress on today. Anyhow, peace out. Oh, and that's the end of sleep. Did you hear something? Oh, they were just sound asleep. I was taking a video of them sound asleep. What, did something upset you, sweetheart? Did something upset you? You okay, babies? Did something upset you? Yeah? Cappy? Aw, what happened, babies? What happened? What happened? What happened? Come here, baby. Come here, baby. What's that? Where's your new toys? You got a new toy? Good, Daddy gave you both new toys today. Give me that. Who's gonna win? Casper's not interested right now. Oh, don't bite my finger, Snoopy. Snoopy won? Cappy, you have to go out? His name is Casper, but I call him Cappy for short. His name was going to be Gadsby. Sometimes I call him Gadsby. But he really is his name, Casper Spirit. And then this guy here, Snoopy Baxter. The one and only. Here's your belly whoops. Here's your belly whoops. That's from Teresa. Alright, Casper, you have to go out? You don't want to give me a kiss? Alright. Now see, when he has... Oh. Sorry about that, guys. Mommy had trouble getting up. Not feeling great today. Go to the... Sorry about my hair. I was supposed to go to Michael's because I ran out of white paint and I'm working on somebody's canvas, somebody's artwork that's already paid for. And it should be in the mail, and I can't finish it because I ran out of literally every jar of white paint that I had. And then I also need metal, like metallic gold paint to finish something that needs a little bit more on the edges. But my stomach was rumbling and rumbling. I put a dress on and was all ready to go, and I put my earrings on. These are from Forever Bella Butterfly. She has them in her shop, and if you like them, keep the evil eye away from you. And I didn't put my makeup on because Lord knows I use enough filters. So this is my real face. Anyway, I like the filters. But yeah, so I kept waiting for the pain to go away. It's just like a rumbling in my stomach. My sister Karen was getting oral surgery. My daughter Laura was visiting my sister Christine, who's, sick with cancer. And so she was giving me pictures back and forth. And my sister Christine looked pretty good, but she's not really getting out of her bed. So just a lot of activity going on. And I was just like, not that I got many things done. I didn't. I was just... Then I ate lunch because I figured maybe if I eat lunch, I'll feel better because I really didn't eat anything. So I had the pizza, heated up the pizza from yesterday that I didn't even eat yesterday. Devin bought it. I had something else yesterday. And my stomach did not stop rumbling. And I had the pains and... You okay? Are you okay? Where's your buddy? There he is. There he is. There they are. So, I didn't get to the store, but I said, you know what? If I don't get to the store, to that store, but I do have to go to the regular store because I ran legit out of coffee. I mean, I have the old-fashioned kind that you can make it in the pot, in the coffee pot. Oh, I better get their dishes. Excuse me. Oh, get their dish. Time for dinner. Anyway, I don't want to make this long, but I've been drinking a cup of coffee for the whole day. This is only my second cup. Wait. And still have 3 more pills, vitamins to take. My stomach hurts. I don't like to take my vitamins, but because it'll send me to the bathroom. But anyhow, there is something I do want to say. This will cheer me up. What I forgot to say. Don't look at my table, but I know there's nowhere else to look. What I forgot to say with this piece called Compassion, right? I forgot to say that the hug that this guy is giving this woman is the type of hug that we've all hopefully have gotten in our lifetime. Maybe you don't get it that much anymore, but when you get hugged from your spirit guide in heaven or your guardian angel, when you go to heaven, that's the kind of hug. I mean, you could get that hug here down on earth. Like when Devin gives me a hug, I feel that way. When my kids give me hugs, that's how I feel. Like I am home. Everything's going to be okay. And you just melt into that person's arms. That's the kind of hug that compassion. That's what compassion is doing. Okay, guys, this is way too long, so I just wanted to say I love you, and I wanted to show you Casper and Snoopy because I haven't been showing them as much, and now I gotta go feed them. So I have a messy table because everything on this table has to do with what I'm doing, so who knows? Maybe I will get to Michael's tonight and get my paint. I think I could do it. Let me feed the dogs first. Anyway, I love you guys.